Hello everyone. In this Power BI session, we will see what is area chart and what are the types of area chart visuals are available in Power BI. Also, we will see what is card visual and the types of card visuals available in the Power BI desktop. So let's first start with what is area chart. An area chart in Power BI is a type of visualization that displays the data as a series of data points connected by lines with the area. Below the lines filled with the color to represent the data values. Area charts are similar to the line charts but with the area below the line shaded or colored. Area charts are typically used to represent the cumulative data or to emphasize the magnitude of change over time. They are particularly effective for visualizing trends and patterns in data, especially when comparing multiple series or categories. In Power BI, there are two types of area chart, that is standard area chart and the stacked area chart. So let's discuss the standard area chart, and this is the most basic type of area chart where the area below the line is filled with color, creating a solid visual representing of the data series. Here you can see the example of the standard area chart. Next is the stacked area chart. This chart have the multiple data series are stacked on top of each other with the area below the lines filled with color. Each data series starts from the x-axis and is stacked on top of the previous series, creating a cumulative effect. This area chart are useful for comparing the total magnitude of multiple data series over time or across the categories. These are the types of area chart which provides different ways to visualize and analyze data, allowing users to choose the most suitable representation based on our specific requirement and data characteristics. So now let's see how we can create this area chart in Power BI desktop. So this is the Power BI desktop. From here we will create the first standard area chart. So here you can see the standard area chart. Just click on it, and from here we will take the region, and then we will take the profit field and sales field. So here you can see the here you can see the area chart. This is the standard area chart which are having the x-axis and a y-axis. Also you can add secondary y-axis to it. Let's say I will add secondary y-axis. So it will show like this. So this is how the area chart looks, and this is how we can use the area chart. Now if I will use the stacked area chart with the same field, then it will look like this. It is stacked one after another and it comes from the x-axis and stacked on the top of the previous line or area. So this is what the stacked area chart and the standard area chart. Now let's move forward and see what is cards and what are the types of cards are available in Power BI desktop. The card visuals in Power BI, the card visuals are basic and effective way to display a numeric number or the metric. Basically, it is frequently used to highlight the key performance indicator or present critical data points in a simple and accessible manner. For example, we want to show the total sales, so we can show in the card visual. So there are three types of card visual in Power BI desktop. One is the classic card and the multi-row card, and the card new is the advanced version of the classic card. So let's start with classic card. The classic card is the basic card of visual display, a single value often used for showcasing the key performance indicator, presenting the important metrics. Here you can see the sum of sales card visual, like it is showing the card visual. The classic card visual is showing the sum of sales value. Next is the multi-row card. This row card visual allows you to display the multiple row of data in a vertical list format and providing a compact way to present detailed information from a dataset. So here you can see the example of multi-row card. Here we can show sum of sales, sum of profit, and sum of shipping cost, sum of discount. Next is the card new. So this visual has been introduced in Power BI, expanding on the functionality of the standard card visual, or you can say classic card visual. Unlike the standard card visual, which supports only one field, basically the classic card only support the single value, right? So in case of card new, it allows for multiple fields to be displayed within the same visual by utilizing a grid property. This enhancement enables users to encapsulate the multiple data points within a single card, streamlining the data presentation. So now let's see how we can create all those cards, and you can see the example of the card new. So let's add a new page to the Power BI desktop. So from here you can see the card. This is the classic card. Okay. If I will select the total profit I want to show, so it will show the total profit. If I will select the sales, it will show only the sales value, or it will not select the value. You need to delete this one because it will show only the single metric. So you can show sum of sales. Now if I will take the multi-row card, from here I can show multiple metrics like sum of sales, sum of profit, sum of shipping cost also I can show. Now let's go to the new card. If I will go to the card new user, here you can select and you can see it is showing like basically if we will use the classic cards, so it will show like let's take the two classic card, okay? So let's take one in profit, okay? And the second I will take the card as sales, okay? So here I have to add two cards to the report, right? Or to the canvas. But in this case, the advanced version of the classic card it comes with like in a single card we can add multiple metrics and it will show in a card visual. So this is what the difference and this is which is added to the Power BI. So that's all for today. We will see you on next video. We will see some more visuals available in the Power BI desktop. Thank you so much.